Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope your trading is great. I just want to go over one of many confirmations that I've seen over the past week. I was looking at a pair AUDUSD, which was in my market watch. Let me just get this out of the way, which was in my market watch list. And as you can see over here, where the trend lines are drawn, we were in a downwards channel right from the beginning of the 19th of November all the way up to the 25th of November when this was around New York session. So in New York session, typically we like to look for continuations or reversals. And as this channel was completed, the reversal occurred as the hit the previous support zone right here. So we're looking for the completion of the channel and the previous support zone being hit. And that's what we notice over here. We look over to our negative correlated pair. This is also nice to see just simply because of the fact that you can negatively correlate any pair on myfxbook.com. We see negative 84.5 for Euro AUD. We go over to Euro AUD. We have around the same time AUD USD was looking to be bullish. There is a resistance line right here drawn up for us, and it wicked it on the 1 hourly. So we zoom down to the smaller time frame looking for a potential candlestick pattern. And as we see here, we have the bearish engulfing candlestick forming right around here. And that's when we look for the downward movement as its support zone for Euro AUD. This is happening simultaneously as the channel was completed and touching the previous support zone for AUD USD on the 14th of November. So just as we noticed right here, there is, if we zoom down to the 15-minute time frame, there is roughly a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern right here that is a signal for our reversal. And it's also important to note the timing of the day as this is occurring. This is the New York session. Typically, we like to look for the continuation or expansion, as I mentioned before. And then you also want to add it as a confirmation with other technical analysis. So we have the support zone right here, the downwards channel, and the final piece to the puzzle for us was the Euro AUD. Typically, if this resistance line was broken, that would signal us to stay away from this trade just because they are negative 84.5% correlation right here. So if this continued to go up, that would signal that this may potentially go down. But it is the wick here to the resistance zone that hinted that maybe it is halting its momentum upwards and ready to go back downwards, as we noticed when the time goes on. So when the time continues to go on, we notice the bearish momentum accumulating. AUD USD does the exact opposite. And now we are looking forward to entering a upwards channel, which is right here, and then we continue to hold this trade until the channel is broken. So just to reiterate exactly what I said one last time, we enter AUD USD, we look for the downwards channel, that's the trend lines drawn up here. As that is happening, we are looking for the completion right around the support zone. When the support zone is hit, we look for a candlestick pattern. The candlestick pattern over here is what signifies a potential reversal, but the one last confirmative piece of the puzzle is the Euro AUD with a negative 84.5, so that is the resistance wick right here. Once again hinting to us that this may potentially be ready to go back to the other side, which is downwards in the bearish momentum. And then we do see the wicks to the upside, which signal another bearish momentum over here. And then we can see the engulfing candlesticks occurring over here. So that is the analysis for AUD USD relative to Euro AUD. These are typically negative 80 to 90% correlation all the time. If any of you guys have any pairs in your market watch list and you're looking forward to seeing if there's any added confirmation, you can use technical analysis such as the downwards channel and support lines and look forward to certain completions. Just when you enter the trade, make sure the negative correlated pair is also respecting the opposite momentum. And then you should have yourself a much better success rate. Okay, guys, thank you for listening and I hope to talk to you guys soon.